Young man, you're welcome to today's technical interview again on C#. Our focus today shall be on linked list, and I would like you to explain how a linked list can be used to internally implement both a stack and a queue, including the time complexity of the key operations for each. I hope you get my question. Okay, thank you. I'm Gabriel Chikwandongofoke, a student of software development at BYU-Idaho, currently taking a course in programming with data structures. For this question, I'll begin with a stack. A stack, as we know, follows the principle of last in, first out, meaning that the most recently added item would be the first to be removed. Now, to implement a stack using a linked list internally, I would perform all operations at the head of the list. The first operation here is push, which inserts a new node at the head. This is O of 1, since only the head of the operation needs to be updated. The second operation here is the pop, which removes the node at the head and returns its value. This is still O of 1. Then the third operation here is GetTop, which reads the value at the top without removing it. This is still O of 1. And the last operation here is IsEmpty, which checks whether the head is null. This is also O of 1. Now let us go to queue. A queue follows the first in, first out principle, such that the first item that is added is the first to be removed. To implement a queue using a linked list, I would use both the head and the tail. The first operation here is the Enqueue, which inserts a new node at the tail. It is in O of 1 time, since only the tail pointer is updated. Now the second operation here is the Dequeue, which removes the node at the head and returns its value. It is still O of 1 time. The third operation here is the size, which maintains a counter that increments on Enqueue and decrements on Dequeue. This is still on O of 1 time. And the last operation here is empty, which checks whether the head is null or whether the size counter equals 0. It is still in O of 1 time. It is worth noting that this is precisely why a queue should be implemented using a linked list rather than using a dynamic array. Okay, thank you for your explanations. We'll get back to you. Thank you.